Chapter number, good morning all the second year students. Chapter number 4, mechanism of action, mechanism of drug action. General mechanism of drug action. Work. General mechanism of drug actions. It's a chapter number 4. Now we can discuss. Now, drug you can administer in the body. Various physiological, then biochemical reaction are produced, and finally you get the desired effect. Means drug you have to administer in the body, then to elicit in the sense of so many physiological changes, they are clearly changes take place. That means drug administered in the body, they are produced, they elicit the various physiological and the biochemical reactions produce in the body, and then finally produce the desired effect. That is a mechanism of actions. The various mechanisms are responsible for drug action. Now drug are produced the various type of actions. Various type of action in the sense of physiological, in the sense of biochemical, and finally they get the desired effect. That is a mechanism of actions. The drug do not import any new function in the body. The drug do not import new function in the body, but they alter the existing function. They alter the existing function or activity in the body. Can you understand? When you can administer the drug should not change it, not produce any new function in the body, but they alter the existing functions. Those function, what is now disease? Now you can see the disease. Abnormal physiology called as the disease. What is physiology? Only what is physiology? Normal function of the body. Body is working is a normal. That is called the physiology. इसको बोलते physiology. Then what is disease? Abnormal. When you can take a drug, now you can take such a drug for cure the disease. That drug should alter the function of the existing function. Existing जो body में है उसका they can change, and their existing function should be alter. Alter means change the functions. Those should be the abnormal. For example, you are suffering from the pains, you can take a drug. That drug relieve the pains. They change the function, they alter the functions. like that. Drug can change the existing function, that is called the mechanism of actions. Now with so many type of the mechanism of actions. A drug, now see, there are various type of the drug actions. Various type of drug actions. Drug can stimulate. There are various type of the drug actions. Drug can be stimulate depression, the activity of special cell, act as replacement, or can produce cytologic action. Drug can act in one or more of the following way. For example, see first, drug can act by stimulation of the special cells. Stimulation. Stimulation means it increases the drugs increase the activity of specialized cell. Example, these act as a stimulator. The example, caffeine. Caffeine stimulate cerebral cortex. You can take a tea, nicotine, coffee, caffeine, they are stimulate, you are feeling well, they act as a stimulator. Caffeine act as a stimulator, they increase the special type of the cell. Second action, depression. Depression, the drug act decreasing the activity of specialized cells. Decreasing activity means the drug show their activity regarding the normal cell. Their activity should be the decrease. Example, barbiturates. Depress central nervous systems. They act as a depressions. They directly affect in the normal activity, and the normal activity should be the decrease. That called the depression. Barbiturate is act under CNS depressant drug. Third, irritation. Irritation, the non-specialized cell, these act on the non-specialized cell. They are produce the inflammation in the body. There is an example, you know it very well, Sena drug is act as a purgative, but they having the property is irritant. Next should be the physical action, that is important. Next is a fourth, physical action. The many drugs act by virtue of their of their physical properties. Physical properties. You know the what do you mean by the physical properties? Commonly known: smell, taste, absorption, physical mass. Physical mass. Now example, you make it two columns. Now physical properties and drug. Now physical mass is a physical property or drug is produced. This drug is responsible for mix. They produce the physical mass. Most common example, agar. You know the agar available. Agar is a binding agent. Okay, they are having the tendency to produce the physical mass. That is a physical. Physical action means virtue, their physiological properties: smell, taste, absorption, and then physical mass, and then ionic balance, etc. etc. Now first physical mass produced drug agar. Second, absorption, physical body. Which drug are produced the absorption when the drug is put in that they are directly absorbed. Magnesium silicate is act as antacid. Is act as antacid. Directly, magnesium trisilicate can be directly absorbed in the stomach. Hydrochloric acid, and they act as antacids, and they get the neutralized in the acid in the stomach. There, that's why it act as a antacid. Another example, demulcent effect. Example of drug that liquid paraffin. How liquid paraffin is act as a demulcent effect. Demulcent effect, the intestine should be having the smoothing effect of the intestine. Always is used. Combination is the antacid and the liquid paraffin, and your intestine having smooth muscle should be the relax. They don't have any damage. Mucous membrane should be protected by the liquid paraffin. They produce the smoothing effect. Now these are the physical actions. Now there are so many examples of that. Now see the next, chemical. It's a very common. Next should be the chemical action. The drug which act by chemical. Drug is act by chemical reactions in the body. How they? Just you can see the antacid. What is antacids? A drug which chemically neutralize the hydrochloric acid, where in the stomach. That is called as the antacids. Now another example, EDTA, which having the chelate activity. Chelate the heavy metal complex. Heavy heavy metal form a complex ion complex like arsenic and lead. That they form a chelate ion complex and they produce the lead and arsenic complex. They get the effect chemical. Now through the last one is remain now, that important, next is important now, this is also important. Through the action through the enzymes, drug may stimulate or inhibit the action of the organism by combination with enzyme and the coenzymes. The drug act in the enzyme or coenzymes in the organisms and they produce the effect. Which are the effect? It may be stimulate, sometimes it may be the beneficial stimulate, or sometimes it may be the inhibition. Enzyme, they are stimulate the activity of organism, or sometimes they are inhibition. Both are maybe the beneficial or maybe produce a adverse effect, but it's the most important enzymes. For example, methotrexate. These are the drug. First, that drug having the category is act as an anti-cancer drug. Anti-cancer. They having the good property. They act as an anti-cancer drug. What is the mechanism action? Their mechanism action. This drug is act on dihydrofolate dihydrofolic acid. So enzyme, 1 minute. Dihydrofolic acid, it indicate DHFA. Methotrexate. This drug acts as an anti-cancer. Now they inhibit the enzymes. How they are inhibited? Now the new cell formation is possible by the folic acid. The PAPA convert to the folic acid. Then the process. Now the one step is in between that. Dihydrofolic acid, denoted always in the DHFA, is conversion to the tetrahydrofolic acid. Tetrahydrofolic acid. And methotrexate that inhibit the enzyme dihydrofolate reductase. Then next step, formation of folic acid. This folic acid is responsible for formation that new cell. Now the methotrexate, it should be the inhibit the activity, inhibit the activity. They inhibit such an enzyme dihydrofolate reductase, they does not produce tetrahydrofolate, then conversion of folic acid is stopped. There is no formation of new cell, no formation. Folic acid not formed, then no form the formation new cell, and anti-cancer patient get the relief. Anti-cancer patient get the relief. Now through the enzyme, how they are act in the process. Again, what is methotrexate? Methotrexate is an anti-cancer drug. They are inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase. Dihydrofolate reductase, that enzyme, that is called, these are the enzyme. They are inhibited. Which process? Dihydrofolic acid conversion to tetrahydrofolic acid, they are inhibition. And finally what happens? There is no formation of the folic acid, no formation of the new cell, and the cancer is, those having that such a condition, it should be the stagnant. Okay. Another example, aspirin and other their derivatives is act as a analgesic. Analgesic means they relieve from the pains. Analgesic drug is responsible relief from pains, body pains, normal, not the deep pains, superficially pain. Those pain should be, you can bear it, but you can take a tablet and then aspirin prevent the aspirin prevent the prostaglandin synthetase and relief from pains. The prostaglandin responsible for inflammation in the body, and the aspirin, such a drug that prevent the formation of the prostaglandin, that the enzyme, they affect in that enzyme, they are directly inhibits, they stop the formation of the prostaglandin. These are the cells, and then inflammation automatically decreases. Okay. There are so many examples. I use now one examples. Physostigmine, another example. See the last example. Physostigmine and neostigmine inhibit the cholinesterase. That enzyme, it's an enzyme and prolong the acetylcholine action. Physostigmine, neostigmine are the drug are used in treatment of the midwifery in the